Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. So you have to create basically. Normally, we are spending our life just like everybody is spending. We are following the same principle what others are doing. So can anyone tell me what is the difference between a successful person and unsuccessful person? Girls are not speaking. I can ask you, please. You don't know? Okay. One person has a Mercedes Benz and one person has a Corolla. What is the difference between the guy?
That guy is rich.
There you go. So that's good. So why he is rich?
Maybe his father is rich.
That's example. Okay. So basically, to be honest, whenever people ask me what is the difference between the successful person and unsuccessful person, both are human beings. I think you guys are agree. Both are human beings, and both are from this planet, not from any other planet. Agree?
Yes.
I think the successful person is not alien, come from Mars and other world. So both are human beings, both are from this planet. Only the change in the vision. Because if you can talk about just like Steve Jobs, everybody knows Steve Jobs. I think. Okay. Who is Steve Jobs?
He's the one CEO of the iPhone and iPad. The Mac.
He started up.
Okay,
And
that's
then
good.
he passed away.
So what's the difference between Steve Jobs and any other CEO?
He always risky.
I think, yeah, he's risky, he tries something new, and you can see from his brands as well, or whatever he has, it's quite different from other softwares.
Innovation.
So that's basically, to be honest, if I can ask, anyone know the CEO name of the Samsung? No. That's, here you go. So basically, can you show me? I will not, I don't borrow. So what Steve Jobs, thank you for, I just want to clap for her, to be honest there. So what Steve Jobs did, it's basically the personality. He indulged his personality into the technology. He make ace to the life because he is the one who invented the touch screen things. So now everybody has a touch screen, everybody is following. So that's basically, Samsung is also a big company, but we don't know about, even I don't know about his CEO name. But Steve Jobs, everybody knows Steve Jobs. So whatever he did, due to that, people knows him. So because he invented and he took the risk, to be honest, she is right that he took the risk. He basically, in the end, I will show you a video of him in 46 seconds, for him, what is life. So, he create himself, he create the company which is now ongoing on. And in the technology, they are at par.